So, for example, we can go to the page loads insights page, where we have, first of all, a time series where we show the page load time, the P95 page load time for your page over time. So here, for example, we can see that a user took around 400 milliseconds to load. This seems really low because this is a local host application. So eventually, once you deploy this, you'll see like real numbers. On the right side of that, we have a card where we have information about the transfer size of the page. First, we get the P95 transfer size. This is most likely the size that users get when they load the page for the first time. And we have then the average transfer size. This is most likely affected by your cache hit ratio. That means that as users get to cache some of your resources, the total transfer size goes down. Next, we have a bar chart where we show each of the resource types separated, and you can see for each one of them the cache hit ratio. In this example, we can see how fonts are never cached, so that means there is some opportunity for improvements there, where you can start caching more your fonts, so to make sure that users are not downloading that resource every time. Once you see a problem either on the cache size or on the page load time, you can go to the table down below here, where you can get a list of resources that your users are loading. We have multiple columns that are really helpful for you. For example, we have the average transfer size for each resource. We have the load time for each resource, whether the resource was blocked in the render or not, the cache hit ratio, and the resource type. You can order this table by each one of the columns. So, for example, if you want to know which resource is taking longer to load, you can sort by load time. We see here that this CSS file is taking most of the time to load and is a blocking resource. So you can either work on making it smaller or making sure that your cache hit ratio is as high as possible. So that is page load insights.